The hidden secret. This is the app I download photos and videos from Pinterest. It's a visual search engine and creative idea discovery platform used to find inspiration in areas like fashion, decor, and recipes. It differs from traditional social media by focusing on saving images and short videos pins in special boards. You can create a Pinterest account to explore, and Pinterest Wikipedia is considered an ideal library rather than a traditional social network. And CapCut, a free and comprehensive video editing application that allows users to easily create professional videos via their phone, featuring powerful AI tools, effects, and ready-made templates, making it the best choice for creating content for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. What exactly does Pinterest offer? Inspiration and creative ideas. The site covers diverse areas such as design, fashion, home decor, and recipes. Visual search and shopping. You can search for specific products, shop directly through the platform, or use the Pinterest camera to discover ideas similar to what you see. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.